Hey guys, in this course we will going to teach you how you can make one professional online course website like this. Whatever the resources, whether it's a plugin and theme which we have used in this course is absolutely free. You do not need to pay any money to create one beautiful website like this. So this is the first benefit you will going to get if you will enroll inside this course. Now, if I talk about the homepage, you can see we have put the image like this. I will teach you how you can get one free image and how you can put one image for your website. Then we will going to teach you how you can put this course carousel like this. Then after that we will put testimonials, and then we will also going to teach you how you can add one blog features inside your website so that you can get extra traffic from search engines like Google, Yahoo. Okay, then we will going to teach you how you can create this beautiful footer, and after this we will teach you how you can create one course inside your website. Now, most amazing feature of this website is that other people can also come to your website and they can create one account and they can teach inside your website. So here we have provided one instructor registration. That means other instructors can come to your website and they can create courses inside your website. And whenever their course will get sold out, you can take some commissions from them. Now comes student registration. Here any student can come and he can register inside your website. Inside dashboard, you will be able to see all the courses which you have enrolled, payment history, quiz which you have attempted, and everything. So let's get see and let's click on this course and let's see how this thing will going to look out. Okay, so see, here is one course. So right now you can see when you will going to create any course, you can show one preview of your course. Okay, so from here people can see your demo video and they can enroll inside your course. We have made payment process very simple so that students can immediately enroll inside your course. You can see descriptions, requirements, what students required inside this course, what are the targeted audience for this course, descriptions, okay, what you will learn. So most of the things you will see like Udemy. So we have taken experience from lots of websites like Udemy, Skillshare, and we have done research and we have found best free plugins and themes that will help you to create such a beautiful website. Now if you will try to click on add to cart, so it will show one pop out and here you have to register or log in inside your website. Then only people can enroll inside any course. Okay, so this is the functionality we have added. So let's go to dashboard right now. Now inside dashboard it will again ask for login, so you simply have to click on login, and after you will log in you can see all the details like your profile photo. It will also show complete your profile feature so that you can complete your profile. And then here comes the dashboard, my profile, enroll courses, that means in which courses you have enrolled. So if you will click here, so you can see all the courses which you have enrolled on. Then wish list, so you can put all the courses which you want in future inside this wish list. So whatever course you will select as wish list, all the courses will going to show here. Reviews, your quiz, purchase history, my courses, announcement, earnings, withdrawals, quiz attempt, question and answer. So all the features you will going to get inside the dashboard feature. Then comes blog. So inside blogs you will be able to see all the blogs which you have made for your website. Okay, so like this. So this is how our website will going to work out. Okay, you can again go to home and we will teach you exactly how you can create such a beautiful website like this. So if you are interested, so do enroll inside this course. I will see you inside this course guys. Thank you.